Namaskar, welcome to Vandana's art classes.
Today we are going to learn a miniature painting. We are going to paint it on a MDF board.
I have used this gesso, Babius gesso, and I have given 2 coatings of gesso on it. Now I'm going to do the background. So for background, I want to give some texture. So I'm using red color and yellow color. Any red, any yellow, no problem. You can use any other color. So here is the basic coat of red, which I'm going to do, but I am dabbing. We can do ordinary painting also. For that, we have to move our hand left to right, up to down, and we'll have to make sure that there are no lines visible. So one round is over. Now I'm taking yellow color in my brush, and in the center, I'm doing more work by yellow color. So this is our base. We'll wash the brush and now we will start making the design. To make the design, I'm using black color and I'm going to use 000 number brush. This is 000 number brush and here is my scale. So I will draw the lines on all the 4 sides to make the border. So our border line is ready. Now I'm going to draw one Varley art design. So here is the lady with a bun. This is her neck. Draw one X and show 2 feet. One hand up and other hand is holding a child. So child's hand and lady's hand should touch each other. This is our basic drawing. We can show some tree or something later on. So to draw this, I'll draw the center part first. If you want to show a boy, then show only this round face. If you want to show a girl, then show a bun. Now we can show some floor here, pebbles, some path. We can also show a tree here. Our basic drawing is ready. Now we are going to make a border. I'm feeling this off-white color, peach color you can say.
Our miniature painting is ready.
I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you for liking, subscribing and sharing Vandana's art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.